Here's how to make a chess pawn in Blender in under 4 minutes. Start by deleting the default cube. Grab the reference image, link in the description. Add a Bezier curve and delete the default points. With the pen tool, trace the outline of half a pawn. Don't worry if you stop or restart, we'll clean it up soon. Tidy the curve using grab, rotate, delete, and subdivide to add points. Make sure the bottom is flat, and that the top and bottom line up on the center axis. Exit edit mode and add a screw modifier. Boom, pawn shape. Convert it to a mesh so it's ready to work with. Add a plane for the ground, then place the pawn on top. Next, add materials. I'm using the polygon add-on, link in the description. Finally, throw in some lights, tweak your render settings, and you're done. That's a chess pawn in Blender in minutes.